So this video is for Chris. Chris, here you can see the big engine of the Slayer Pro. I built it out, and you need to weld this piece here. I show it to you in this video. This one here, you only weld it on this back plate here, and that's it. And here's the big rotor starter, and that's from the engine, and everything is original from the big engine install kit. So this engine here fits in this car without moving anything, transmission, nothing. I have moved nothing. This video is for you, Chris, so you can see what I mean. You only have to weld this bolt here on this plate. Here you can see I cut out the pull starter box, so you can see it better. Okay, now you can build it for yourself. So this engine here can go inside this car. Have fun, guys. Subscribe Bruce Chills for more. This is just a pro tip for me, so you know. An Lrp Z32 big block engine fits in this car without much modifications. You can build it. And now you know how it's going to do, and you can do it. There's no problem.